Everyone should do this on their stove. Your cooking gas will last much longer. A gas vendor taught me this hack. Check it out, folks. It's unbelievable. I was taught this hack, then I tested it at home, and guess what? It really works. You know when the stove flame turns red? That means the burners are dirty. Check this out. Sometimes we spill some milk, food, or something like that. And this really messes up the use of cooking gas. You end up using more gas than necessary. So now I'm gonna teach you this hack so you can solve this problem. So here's the thing. First, you're gonna need toothpaste. If possible, the white ones, okay? Totally white toothpaste. Then take the stove burners here, and we're gonna apply a small amount of toothpaste on them. Put it here. Okay, now let's do this with all of them, alright? And now you're gonna get a brush. But if you don't have one, no problem, you can use your fingers. But I like the brush because it really helps to spread it very well, especially in these corners. So go ahead and spread it out just like that on all the burners. Now get a bowl and put all the burners inside. And now we're gonna need salt, just regular kitchen salt, okay? Let's go ahead and add 1 very full tablespoon of salt here. Toss it over the burners. Let's add baking soda now, also 1 tablespoon. Baking soda in. And finally, guys, we're gonna add dishwasher detergent. I'm using this coconut scented one, but feel free to use whatever you like. The detergent, along with the salt and baking soda, will make the cleaning process even stronger. Now let's go ahead and add hot water until all the burners are covered. And now all you gotta do is just let it rest for 30 to 40 minutes. Well, folks, and here it is. It's been about 30 minutes already. And now just take a regular sponge like this one. The purpose of the mixture is to soften all the dirt that is stuck here. As you can see, my sponge doesn't have any product on it. So check this out, folks. Take a look on how it removes all the dirt with ease. Look at this. It's crazy, isn't it? Pretty easy. Just wet the sponge there and remove the dirt without much effort. Look, that's great, right? Can you see how easy I'm removing this? Really cool. Well, guys, I scrubbed it here for a while, not even 2 minutes actually. And look at the difference, folks. See, that's really good, don't you think? It still has some foam, but you can see the difference already. But now, guys, before you clean, get a toothpick with some cotton on the point. Or if you want, you can just use a cotton swab instead. Anyway, you see this hole? Take a closer look how it's dirty inside. It's also very important to clean this. That little piece of wire we use to unclog just ends up throwing more dirt inside. But try this instead. Take a toothpick and dip in the mixture. Then go ahead and remove the crust of dirt that's stuck inside, which also impairs the functioning of the stove. Look at this. You can see how much dirt comes out. Not even a minute cleaning. So guys, another tip before putting the burners back in place, also try this to get a more complete cleaning. Look at this. That's gross. And now look how different the flame looks. It has a nice blue color. That's the way it has to be.